We did take all of those pillows off the floor. Now, with the bed, you guys, you see this is this stone or dust blue. We do have light blue curtains as well. The stone or the dust blue pairs well with the bed. Even the light blue with what's going in the space. So I was deciding if I wanted to do the stone blue or the light blue, because the blanket is a light blue, but I do think I want to do the dust blue, and I'm going to implement a few light blue pieces in like the pillow. And we're going to go ahead and hang the pictures. Now these 4 pictures I told you guys, we're doing 2 here and 2 here. So then we're going to decide what goes on this headboard wall, because I changed some stuff out in this wall here, as well as what's back behind the door. My next dilemma, since I do have family coming over here in probably about 5 or 10 minutes, I'm going to hang the curtains in the pictures. And then once they get here, I'm going to let them help me put the rug down. And here are those light blue curtains as well. But there's that rug. It is a washable rug. Once again, when you see this video, you guys, I am going to put all the links everywhere. Now you see I do have the mirrored lamp sitting out. I do think we're going to do these. And once I remove all of the pillows, it's about 9 pillows on this bed. And her cedar chest, I am going to redo it. I'm going to paint it and reupholster the top. But I am definitely going to paint the outside of it, because we don't like, not at the present time, we don't like all of the wood because it's super heavy. So what I'm finna do now is we are going to hang the curtains. And I did order 2 sets. So we have those that come from Amazon. And I am still pairing it with my white shears. Gorgeous Home Amazon as well. $14.79. And we're doing 2 sets of those. So I'm going to hang the curtains. And then once we hang the curtains, we're going to hang the pictures. We have replicated side 1 and side 2. Alright, you guys, I scratched putting the rug down at 6 by 9. I needed 2 to go for the look that I wanted, so that was definitely the wrong size. So what your girl opted to do was not put the rug down. I'm going to go ahead and make the bed. The 6-piece queen set from my local Roses, and it was, as you can see, $12.99. Alright, you guys, now it's time for the reveal. The room is not fully finished, but it is finished for now. Now I'm going to tell you, you're going to see a few items that TT put out in her space. And you know, TT space is always her way. She put a pillow here, and she put her body wash there. Now, the pink vases are going to change colors. We keep getting rain. I can't do anything, but I got to get these videos out. I can't let the month roll in without getting us content out. Now, we do have her pictures here. We haven't done anything at the head of the bed. I've shown her a couple things because I told you guys we're making TT space for TT. We do have the 3 Walmart mirrors here. We have nothing on that wall, and she fairly enjoys her bed. We are still painting her chest, and you guys, the bed I'm actually a little bit okay with. I'm still not liking these short nightstands, but we are going to do something to raise them up and put acrylic legs on them, and let's see how that looks. If not, I told her that we will be gifting all of these pieces to her TT's niece. Her sister is getting ready to move, and we're going to probably gift her all of these pieces. Now, this is her dresser, and you guys remember, everything lights up. I don't know where she put her her controllers. Now, look at that stone blue curtain. Now with these pictures, you guys, I opted for these so we can, at any time when we get ready to change out, doing different versions of the blue, the pictures can stay. Now you see her bedding is dust blue, another shade of dust blue. You're gonna see many shades of blue in the space. But that's it. TT's love it. TT loves it. I didn't get to put the rug down because of the weight of the bed. I am going to still opt and do that. And like I said, we're going to add something here and also at the head of the bed. She said her bed slept well. Now, I'm going to let you know where everything in the space did come from. Now you do know all four of the pictures. I will include the haul videos for these items down in that description. Make sure you do check those videos out if you haven't saw them. But all four of the pictures came from my local roses for $12.99. The dust blue velvet curtains came from Amazon, and these were 40 something. I'm gonna link them. The white sheer are Gorgeous Home, and they were $14 and some change. Now here the lamps I've had for quite a little while, and I did get those from my local roses. They were more of a off gold color. They was a white with a brown. They gave me more of a farmhouse look, and I did paint them white immediately, and they've always stayed white. But those lamps were $29.99 each. The pink vase did come from Roses as well. It was $5.99. We are going to be painting those. The nightstands came from Amazon, and the nightstand set was $2.79. They do light up. Once again, the mirrors are from Walmart, and they were, I think, $7.88 each. The blue pillow came from Roses. It was $10.99. The chest has been in the family for an extremely long time. The bed did come from Amazon. The bed was $2.99. The bed sheets came from Roses, and they were $12.99, which matches her pillow. And you know, these are my larger pillows. They're 24s. The pillows actually came from Roses for $6.99, and that's been probably several years ago. It's hard for me to find the 24 by 24 pillows at Roses anymore. The two smaller pillows did come from our local Family Dollar. They were $10 a piece. Her throw blanket here did come from Family Dollar, and it was $12 if I'm not mistaken. It was $12, either $15. Now her white bedding, her white bedspread, and the dust blue bedspread both came from Amazon from different sellers. The dust blue was $37.99, and the white one was $29.99. And everything here is replicated. Now, like I say, TT put out her body wash and her solar light thing that she turns on at night. She did put that out. The blind did come from Walmart for this oversized window, and it was $52.99. The dresser came from Amazon as well, and it was $2.79. You know, my gold vases did come from Burlington for, I think, $14.99, and the white ones came from Burlington as well for $14.99. That white center vase did come from Roses, and it was $14.99. And my little tea light holder came from Burlington, and they were $9.99. You guys, that's it. My cord hider, I did get those through, I think, a sponsorship but I will put the link for that down in the description. You know, I did purchase the paint because we painted her space. This color, you guys, is called Fashionable Gray. Once again, we are adding something on this wall. We're going to add something on this wall. I am going to opt to change all of the light and the plug plates as well. And we are going to be, I got a review for a ceiling fan, and we're going to be changing that shortly. But this is it, you guys. This is phase 1 of TT Space, and like I say, we're going to implement in our other changes, and we're going to do that in the next video that you see with TT Space. We will be then added in the missing pieces, and I think I'm going to change about 3 things. But that's it, you guys. I hope this 2025 reset inspired you. And when we do come back, I will have the pink bases painted. And I'm opting still for white or some version of blue, more than likely. Because her main theme for this room is what I'm calling the 50 Shades of Blue. Because blue is one of her, she likes blue, pink, and purple, but blue is her ultimate color choice. So she told me she wanted to get rid of all of the pink. She wanted her blue back. And so we're going to leave it for a while. We do have different shades of blue curtains in the bed and then on. So when we get ready to switch it out, we will be doing that. That's it, you guys. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend that they need to come over and see what we're doing here. I appreciate you guys' love and support, and we will see you in the next upcoming video.